Right, beno ntubo kwithirwa kiona nindi kanya kangi orwerwe na kwithirwa kiotanaira na batu kirwa rero tora tumba kwithirwa tukiona kanya kakwaraniria imwe kwa imwe nindi kimantu yeye kithomo na baraba ingi nindi tuwe wina mwana arewe athirite chukuru maybe form 4 na utikumenya kana wewe ngwate kumimbi bibyo ngwari ngenda kwithira kiutha kiruro tukitha twina ruo rwerwe ari ikende kinyamba kwithira itarawa chukuru irombikia kwithira agita na kinyamantu yarombikia kwithira akithomaira na mwenu wetu karibu sana na bano ntuba kwithira kiona kanya kwatana na batu ende mbere yangi yonde maybe no kethania na watwira wenu na inakukungumite.
Okay, marietwa Ineli Marango ditana Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences withero ndiro tereroro rwa Meru office lakini skuru ithairwa iro tereroro rwa Thika ino main campus iri na campus ingi Nakuru. Yes.
All right. Na tukere kemantu yegie Imperial College maybe imbi bwethara bokedil na byondene ya chukuru imbi bibyongo mtombikia kwithira akithoma irara kana what exactly does Imperial College entail?
Imperial College iskuru isitanirite gwitana mantu za ugima bwa mwiri kana these health courses icha sibitari courses yu ni twetikiritwe gwitana u fully accredited by TVETA. All the examination bodies, they are fully regulated by the various regulatory bodies. Na itwetikirite gwitana from ATSAN certificate na diploma level. Yeah, so that is Imperial College. Yes.
Na well kwe maybe mtwareara na inya mtwaita kura kento na thera kura kia nonton kura kena ngatia ki maybe kumto wichuria why choose Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences itomika kocha la Imperial re imbe bibiongo maybe imbiombikia koira kana reasons irombikia kwithiro kya ya monto why he or she should join your school?
Point ya mbere ire mbomba kwira antu ni babati ko join Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences nyogeta thoko no kethira antu bakiendia into manyano utega into kamba kuona kethira kege sawa kana kege te sawa na ndiara Imperial itomba kuitana kunenkanira quality health education manyara nandi lazima muritora eze umbe kumwa the right information kanda inyamba kuiza ki outside community amba gutethia antu bura kubatiri so quality education ni area. Number 2 twethora twina experienced lecturers kana trainers para bakaomba gwitana aritwa bau mantu jara zabati kuthithwa na bura kubati kuthithwa na kuba intel on the theory na practical parts so lazima twethora twina fully trained trainers kana lecturers para bakaomba gwitana aritwa betu bwega. Then twethora twina exposure ya clinical rotations kana ila tia exposure ira ya kumurito ati lazima athithire practical school kwina exposure ira ya ome lazima watoke nje wafanyishwe in industries in hospitals outside kanda bomba kuonwa reality ya school ya manto bora cheta na mbere then itwetherwa twina affordable education. We are not expensive, we are pocket friendly. Twethera tutagerete au muno kwiripa mdogo so affordability ya kuweza kuthoma ni thairwe thongi then twethera tuna career exposure mwana jore kuthomera aria an opportunity ya career yawe kumia kwithwa so exposed so that one is there. Then twethera tuna modern training facilities aritwabari otebekare otena library na maukuzi yaku otebekare otena computer lab because we have courses chikwenda most of it computer lab oteka skuru jere otena food lab kwena courses ikwenda food lab otomba gweka itena labs kwena so all those things they are not outside ban aritwabara bateciona home they are inside the school then to the otena hostel skuru kwena atiari batenda gari twa bao barara outside the school so hostels chethoro chi school ndene and then aritobe tuibekaira uniform for recognition. Yes.
Oh, that's awesome. Na with that Nelly maybe nende kumto kwithira kiura kia courses ida maybe whether abokiofa akailia yes this is the right school but bwina course ira nkendekea maybe kwithira bukiuthekea maybe what are some of the courses ira bwithira bukiaya na inyo chukuru eno?
Ichethora che classified into 7 departments. Na kambira ni ambere ni School of Health and Social Sciences. Ke department izo kethira kwina diploma ya social work and community development. But kwithira ina C minor na certificate yo but kwithira ina D plain. Then kwina certificate ya health support assistant. Baiba bomba kweja na support sibitari. But kwithira wina D plain kana inya D plus you can do that. Then kwina artisan caregiver course. Bomba kumenyera patient after they are discharged. Wina D minor no the course you. Then kwina community health but kwithira ina C minor. Then C minor in either English kana Kiswahili. D plus in biology, then D plain in either mathematics and physics. Na certificate yayo ni D plain. Then kwina School of Perioperative Theatre Technology. Izi bomba kutetheria theatre with the instrument kupanga into in the lab in the theatre kubanga into ku make sure the theatre is okay before the doctor comes. So neu but kwithira diploma wina C plain diploma certificate but kwithira wina C minor. Then kwina School of Applied Sciences but kwithira wina but kwina courses chieku ithatu. That is a science laboratory diploma but kwithira wina C minor na certificate but kwithira wina D plain. Then kwina biomedical engineering. Bomba kutegera into vya sibitari the machines. Wina C minor no wezi okathithia that course. Then kwina School of Human Nutrition and Dietetics. Daktari twira bore ukomba kuria the nutrients from any mirire from any age. From any age, from children to elderly to teenagers. For the diploma but kwithira wina C minor. Na hizi idha in a cluster of subjects, not for the languages, but for the languages, one of the languages, chemistry na biology, but kwithira wina D plus. Then certificate here, but kwithira wina D plain. Then either one of the languages na chemistry, biology, but kwithira wina D plain. So that one you can do human nutrition and dietetics. In the same department kwina ya food technology. Food technology bomba kuthithia the processed foods. Wina C minor na uthithia diploma na wina D plain kana D plus na uthithia certificate. Then kwina food and beverage management. Diploma but kwithira wina C minor na certificate but kwithira wina D plain. Then kwina School of Health Records and Information Management. Baiba bomba go keep records sibitari. Both data na written. For the diploma but kwithira wina C plain na either English kana Kiswahili C plain. Then kwina biology D plus na kwina either mathematics and physics C minor. For the certificate, but kwithira wina C minor in one of the languages, D plain in biology, D plain in mathematics, then D plus in either physics or chemistry. Wina grades you nomba kuthithia course you. In the same department kwina ya information technology by IT. With a C minor you can do your diploma and your certificate you can do it with a D plus. Then kwina School of Nursing. Nursing but kwithira wina C plain, biology C plain, one of the languages C plain, either mathematics ama physics C minor. Nomba kuthithia nursing. Then kwina School of Clinical Medicine and Surgery. But kwithira wina C plain, for the biology C plain, mathematics stroke physics C minor na biology C plain na one of the languages C plain. So wina grades you nomba kuthithia clinical medicine. Yes.
Wow, na tukielekia how about examination bodies irabwethera maybe chetu mairo maybe kubwa chirion tutiche kwethera kwina examination bodies mwanya maybe bienuni internal bya chukuru ake kana kwethera kwina other external bodies irapomba kwethera bwitu maira kire mantu na mairio
chethera cheku both kwina internal na kwina chia government nonto odabra ndikire kuga we are fully accredited. Now those courses chonde chethera regulated by the various examination bodies. As an example the nursing examine our Nursing Council of Kenya. So igerio bietu ite internal ni ile agugwenkeza nkugeria hiyo cut hiyo ni otetaga internal. Lakini at the end of the day utaasesiwa na NEC kana SIDAC. The government examination bodies. Kwa hiyo chonde chikethero cheku na ukithiria skuru lazima ufanye ile mtihani ya SIDAC ama ya NEC. So na icha government. Te meakwe muruto mba okwiza akakuria mwanya jwa private na public imbi. In fact irera bathitha ya kigerio no joro thitha ya KCSE private. No rongie public. So exams chithero the same and they are assessed the same. Wote wanakuanga assessed the same. So the regulatory bodies that we do they are fully accredited by the government. Yes.
Well, kintu kingine libichi kithera kichumbura aritoni kintu kita attachment. Kana maybe bakithoma kwera bethera bakende kawita for industrial attachment kenda bethera nyaba ina hands on. Na ni onto bethera bwichumbura antu baba inge kana to baba inge bakethera bakimenya itera kwa attachment ri ukinyam tukumina ngeta maybe Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences ni thera itethera kiaritoa kanibo tethera kiaritoa benu maybe kona attachment na rampo mtombike kwithira ita.
Yes, igita riu ria Kenya aritoa itobatethaia na attachment. In fact for us Imperial College ntiuga bethika kithai they are everywhere. Inya Meru vario ukienda kila mahali wako. So igita muchari na shura igita riu ria attachment ria Kenya kugeta ate batu itumba kubatethia na in case muchari enda mwana eta akuinwe maybe to the county that you are near. It is very possible. Either possible na kagita kau tubatetheia mwanka bakathiri attachment na baga assessor. They are also assessed when they are on attachment. Kwa hiyo muciari akaigwe no gwa. Attachment tubatethairi.
Mantu yenge yamba kwithira ichumburana na komake bengene ndi ni mantu yege fees ra muritwa kana muchiari omba kwithira kirita maybe kwe muchiari arate omba kwithira kiwateta na kembecha chionde mbecha iri kwendeka imbia nona areta chukuru maybe kwithira kwina ibwetikira kya maybe ibwetikaniria muchiari kana kwina fees payment plan that werete kiwango kimwana akikuma chukuru akiriariata mewe ya kinya ongela kiwa kinya kenda kwithira muchiari atekunyilika orimo kone onto nethira ina bibi kia mwana chukuru akambiria lakini atina chondiwa tena maybe bwetikira kia muchiari ethire akira fees mpala.
Yes, our fees imbugire we are pocket friendly. Na itweteka area a certain percentage. Itwere gwatia chiari bonde pathari metomwe. Kwe muchiari akeza akiria. Na kwe muchiari akeza auge ndi na kiwango giki. So itweteka area a certain percentage. Muchiari ezi that percentage. Athiria kuria percentage yu mwana akadimito na agatigwa skuru. So mwana ndi muchiari otoga agachoka nja atige mwana akithoma aona iria ingi balance no gakaria. So itwetika iria chiari kuria fee mpari lazima eze na chionde. Yes.
Hostels ikintu kingi okwithirite actually okiariria kana okiweta but maybe no tutaririe na njirendene about fees payment yenu sorry not fees payment kana hostels maybe hostels you how close are they ke chukuru meakwe muchiari ombika kwithira kiona i hostel chikuo lakini kurayana chukuno mbure mwana kwa maybe chiri okwina skuru na process ya mwana kwa bana iriku na kwebangi bewa maybe omba kwithira atumete kurayana skuru maybe arenda kwithira kiumanja is it compulsory mwana ithira akiria ki hostels?
It is not compulsory. Na hostel ite ome skuru chiendene. They are inside the school. iu ithaurwa obligation ya mwana kana muciari na kwivara beara within of course atenda kuria hostel mwana no eze akichoka nja but for those who are from far hostel chithero chindene skuru they are not outside chindene skuru na chithero chi provided na wifi kanda urito baomba kuendelea kuthithia assessment chiao
kwe karatasi ngwete ana imkona kaina intake ya May maybe no tutariria about intakes chenu chethera chiri na ile mtu abatire kwambiria inya the application process
application process no wambiria anytime for our intakes chethera chi January March na May thai inya no tukuendelea kwa inyo ukethirwo tesereri our May intake is still ongoing. You can still do the application and join us for the May intake. The other one now, if you miss May, you go for September. Yes, and not all courses zinaendanga continuous. For nursing, it's for March and September only. Clinical medicine is September only. Hizo courses zingine sasa ziko mfululizo. Yes.
Na maybe iri mtu abatire kwithira aki-apply ni for example kithiri ine kamera kana no apply wapmbiri application kana ka apply January maybe okwa ndenda ukuma September yeu ate ni okwa winyambitire nke la fees
application you can do anytime yeu ni tikiritwe unaona ba mwenye bage apply January bakaomba ku manage September bagechwaga fee so te lazima wetere September kando apply you can apply anytime inyatha iya thoro no sereri you can still apply for the May intake so you can apply anytime na inyoga apply May ukaremo gutonya May no apply no kaga fee kana some things come up no itikairwa kuja the next intake with the same letter
maybe mission kana imbibi moro to yenu mission vision na moto yenu re ire butungira kia niriko and how does it resonate na kithomo kiriana ba
skuru temeambiria tena moto kana tena mission kana tena vision as long as nwikete aritoa in the compound so tuga mission yetu to offer transformative relevant medical health training in Africa batu inyate Kenya yake in Africa we want to explore kabisa then our mission tuga offering support for our career dreams lazima support mwana kanda career yawe yomba gwita through then moto tuga committed to professional excellence lazima we excel you cannot bring a student there na si excel so we are committed to professional excellence either to watirite njira yu mono
maybe your director mbona very active na running the school right our hands on maybe a message from the director
there's a message from our director Benjamin Kenya na gwiritwe na pia shukurani sana kwa wale wazazi wameleta watoto shule and still encouraging wale hawajaregister the May intake bado haijaja you can still do your application even at the moment even tomorrow na uweze kutujoin na bado ana encourage wale hawajajoin wakuja watu join na tuendelee pamoja
na maybe kwa mtu kwithira kiura kia directions kama mtu enda kwa chukuru because kwithira ukitara kia the different campuses irachikuo maybe ni atombike kwithira ke yao
okay for our main campus yetu ithirwa Ithika just 600 meters away from Thika level 5 in our main campus here na namba cha thimo 0719223223 ningotekia namba hiyo screen ine na wethera namba hiyo busy no ringe 0111 052 600 hiyo icho namba cha main campus then itwethero tena Nakuru campus in Nakuru town either way Leonard Gala Street opposite Christ the King Catholic Church na ingwetikia inya namba hiyo screen ine 0713 050000. Hiyo ndio namba ya Nakuru. Then we have Thika, we have 2 campuses. There's another campus at Thika. So ya Thika pia kuna namba 0701 470 000. So hiyo namba pia unaweza ipiga. Then we have the Meru office. The Meru office tuko hapa Electrical House, opposite downtown Magunas. Utatupata hapo. First kuna Electrical House, first floor, room number EH4. Hapo ndio ofisi iko, na pia there is a number on the screen 0768 373614. Yes.
Na well, mbere tukireka kia kwa mtu kwethira kiura ki applications zibatire kwethira kibuda kwa online kana physical mtu no ethira ki aro bichine, maybe for example like at your Meru office wa mutaria kana pa mo guide on application na the possible courses depending na grants yake.
Yeah, akaomba ko visit the school no akinyare ya skuru. Akaomba ko visit the office no akinye ofisine, na ithira tumba okinya we also have online.
Yeah.
Online sasa hata ndio wengi because hizi mambo imekuwa digital.
Digital, sure.
Yeah, so it is very possible you can also apply online. Kuna link wanatumiwa na wana register. So you can do it anywhere where you are.
Yeah. Right, maybe miembo yekuye muthiatu kirekia. Maybe kire aritwa kweba kwenda ku join achiari, and maybe your current students actually.
Current student no kubera tuvendelee gutia bidii, hakuna kufanya. Then kebara batumbite ku register kana go to join, especially bau bena unja. Ibo kwentu kubwe encourage sana bwize bo register kanda tumba kubwa kioto kira babati kwenda kwithira bwina kyo maishene. Kwa hiyo aritwa bau benja na ibo raonete butena course ya kuthithia Imperial Turiaja. We have courses as far as from D minors. No umbe ukeza ukathithia no you be something you do something for yourself. Na mmekaribishwa sana. Na bado May intake tunawangoja, still ongoing, tunawangojea sana.
Sure. Right, maybe tena gure kenge ntego methe antumiri enge, but namba no ichi ke screen yaku mutege namba yuno ende ukithira kiona ke screen yaku ina bombi kya kwithira ukiringa anytime kithira wina chiuria kithira no kwenda ku amount ege ko 0 mbika kubwithia ina bombi kya kwithira ukiringa anytime, na actually inyabake ya to your Meru office babu 3 mo from Monday to Friday working hours, though Friday end ku public holiday. Sure, but yes, ukaomba kwithira ukiona any advice kana mataro yara ndio ukaomba kwithira ukienda. Thank you very much Nelly, nontuboka nyaka kuna nyawa mutegeni bwa nontuboka kwithira watanirete na batu mwankiro tumba kwithira tukinyara nyuma kaita katikura tukenda tuchama na kia nontubandeto chaweru daidatu.
Eje ni Wero TV.